future in the past. Debe maungpa. Debe maungpa labdu ta kasang shopa nye thulo tuya yin tabo. Rwa kasang shopa nye thulo tuya yin tabo rwa. Ana chutu masong tabo tende doshigi wa. Ngama tuze chigla kera lega chig chea yin begi an chegyu yin begi namba chigdwa tela debe maungpa labdu yore. The future in the past is like in the past you were going to do something. This is called future in the past. Minatangba first person. For the first person of future in the past is nye lobjong chayayin. Yinayang nga nishorsong. In English, you can just say I was going to study, which indicates in the past you were going to do something. But in Tibetan, you cannot just say nye lobjong chayayin. You have to say yinayang nge nishorsong, or you have to say something like kasang shokpa nye lobjong chayayin, something like that, to indicate in the past. Nye lobjong chayayin yinayang nga nishorsong. You have to say yinayang nga nishorsong so that people will understand, oh, this is for nye lobjong chayayin is for the future of the past. I was going to study, but I fell asleep. Nye kerang la kapar tangayin yinayang nye kapar shiso. I was going to call you, but my phone died. Nye lokle sarpa chik myoyayin yinayang te pe kongchenboredo. I was going to buy a new laptop, but it was too expensive. The yayin is for the first person, and it's very important that you don't use any other future ending word. Yayin is the best one. Nye kerang la demba shi yayin hinayang nga shesong. I was going to tell you the truth, but I was afraid. Nye ngarang ki nyalkang tsangma so yayin hinayang nye chokpo lepsong. I was going to clean my room, but my friends came over. Nga ngapo lang yayin hinayang nga nikuk taksong. I was going to wake up early, but I overslept. Nga tse loknyen tayayin hinayang lokshisong. We were going to watch a movie, but the power went out. Nga tse jushu chayayin hinayang nga tso la ngul dangyame. We were going to travel, but we didn't have enough money. Nga tse lobjong chayayin hinayang nga tso pe tang che song. We were going to study, but we felt too tired. Nga tse kongso tuyayin hinayang kongso chashi mebar song. We were going to meet them, but they cancelled the plan. So you have to say I was going to. Was going to is yayin for the first person. Minanipa, second person. Second person is yare instead of yayin. Kerang lobchong chega joyare inayang kerang nishorsong. You were going to study, but you fell asleep. Yare instead of yayin. Kerang ki ngala kapartang yare inayang kerang temba jedu. You were going to call me, but you forgot. Kerang ki nangjong tsarwa chayare inayang kerang la tusue midu. You were going to finish your homework, but you ran out of time. Kerang ki nyalkang tsangma soyare inayang kerang pe tangchedu. You were going to clean the room, but you felt too tired. Kerang ki gongse soyare inayang kerang ki dei chabla kalak ngaksong. You were going to cook dinner, but you ordered food instead. Kerang ki tep logyare inayang kerang nyobdu. You were going to read the book, but you lost interest. Kerang ki ngul sogyare inayang kerang ki changma josong tangsong. You were going to save money, but you spent it all. Kerang ki chokpola rokpo cheyare inayang kerang terwa chaksong. You were going to help your friend, but you got busy. Kerang tsokdula lebyare inayang kerang nare. You are going to attend the meeting, but you got sick. Kerang ki inge jongdar cheyare. Inayang kerang namyang shorsong. You were going to practice English, but you got distracted. So in this case, for second person, you have to add yare instead of yayin. Yayin is for the first person. Yare is for the second person. Also, yare is for the third person. Minasumba, third person. 그 롭종 자야레 이나양 고 니쇼르도. So this is all talking about past tense, past, future of the past. He was going to study, but he fell asleep. 며 모랑기 족보라 카바르 땅야레 이나양 며 템바제레. She was going to call her friend, but she forgot. 콩츠 레시데 차려야레 이나양 콩츠 뒤츠 족송. They were going to finish the project, but they ran out of time. 콩 강바 짱마 쏘야레 이나양 코빼 당체도. He was going to clean the house, but he felt too tired. 콩츠 공세 쏘야레 이나양 콩츠 대이찹도 칼락 ngak송. They were going to cook dinner, but they ordered food instead. 그 뎁라야레 이나양 콘엽도. He was going to read the book, but he lost interest. 모 ngapo langyare inayang mo nishordo. She was going to wake up early, but she overslept. 콩츠 ngul soyare inayang 콩츠 ngul changma dosong tangdo. They were going to save money, but they spent it all. 그 loknyen tayare inayang bete chitakdo. He was going to watch the movie, but it was too late. 모 ngapo nyelyare inayang mo chipo dere. She was going to sleep early, but she stayed up late. So, for the first person, second person, third person of future in the past should have yayin for the first person, yare for the second person and third person.